Hey guys, this is Vineet Pandey, and today once again I have noticed a problem which is going on. I have been informed by some of the students who are applying for PhD that their NET qualifications with the percentile system is not being accepted. परसेंटाइल्स में जो रिजल्ट्स आए हैं वो यूनिवर्सिटीज एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रही हैं. आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू दैट टिल नाउ आई हैव गॉट इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट टू यूनिवर्सिटीज, JNVU in Rajasthan and Bhavnagar University in Gujarat. There I have been clearly told that these candidates who are in my contact, they tried to go for PhDs but their forms were not accepted because they were asking for a proper percentage. We are talking about these two universities only. I am trying my best to know about the latest criteria in various other universities. If you have faced the same thing, make sure you write down those things in the comments. My friends, PhD is compulsory. If people are coming with the videos or the information that it is not compulsory, I must tell you this thing that some relaxations are given to some different candidates. The relaxations are not for everyone. If you come from a defense background, if you are carrying the background of a family who had a soldier who got martyred at the border, these people are having different relaxations. There are special relaxations for the differently abled people, but complete relaxation has not been given to anyone. Along with this, the new education policy which is getting implemented has not been implemented in all the universities, and this is also becoming one of the biggest issues. So अगर आपको भी किसी यूनिवर्सिटी में PhD में एंट्रेंस के लिए या एग्जाम के लिए या एडमिशन के लिए अगर आपको रोका जा रहा है और आपसे परसेंटेज सिस्टम के नाम पे आपको गुमराह किया जा रहा है, तो मेरा एक सजेशन है कि सबसे पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इस कमेंट बॉक्स में मेंशन करो, सो दैट एक कंप्लेंट लेटर के अंदर जेन्युइन स्टूडेंट्स, प्रॉपर नेम्स, प्रॉपर यूनिवर्सिटीज नेम्स, हम उस कंप्लेंट को यूजीसी के पास लेके जाएं, बिकॉज दैट इज नॉट आवर फॉल्ट. If UGC is giving results in percentile system, and as I have spoken to many math experts, the maths expert have also told me that it's not easy to identify the percentages. And moreover, let's assume you know your percentage, but even if you know your percentage, the universities will want it on paper. The problem these students are facing is that their papers are having percentile system. यूनिवर्सिटीज ने इनको ये कहा है कि हमें परसेंटेज बताइए और परसेंटेज आपके ऑन पेपर होने चाहिए. सो अगर आप परसेंटाइल का परसेंट निकाल भी लेते हो तो भी आपके जो मेन कागज है यानी कि रिजल्ट्स हैं, सर्टिफिकेट्स हैं, उसमें परसेंटेज आप हाथ से तो लिख नहीं सकते. तो जो यूनिवर्सिटीज हैं जो एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रही हैं, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यहाँ पे एक लैक ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन है. इट सीम्स दैट द यूनिवर्सिटीज आर नॉट प्रॉपरली अपडेटेड. वेल, नॉट अ न्यू थिंग इन इंडिया. ये इंडिया में कोई नई बात नहीं है. लॉज का पता ही नहीं होता है लोगों को, उन्हीं लोगों को नहीं पता होता जिनके लिए लॉ होते हैं. बट I think at least those university guys should speak to UGC authorities. They should talk to those council members and should come out with a solution, because who is struggling at the end? Suffer तो हमारा student कर रहा है ना. And all of these students are not English literature students. They are normal students who know me through YouTube because I raise the voice. So don't worry, don't have to think that if you're not an English student, I will not fight for you. I will fight for anyone who is a student and has a reason, is supported by truth. I will go for the same fight. Tell me if it's happening with you and we will fight together. And yes, one more thing, share this video with all the PhD aspirants, because when they will need help, they will not feel alone. Thank you so much.